Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, it's been long time na hindi na ako nag-vlog, no. Anyway, I have the video on the YouTube, but it's a short video during my nag-workout lang ako, so ganun. So, pero like my life, like personal life, hindi ko na sinishare yun sa YouTube kasi alam nyo naman na kaka-move on ko lang, galing lang ako sa divorce. So anyway, I'm just a single mom and I'm so much busy on my work. Like, it's my life, it's like changed a lot. It's a big change during since I was a divorce. So anyway, I'm still breathing and kicking. Anyway guys, merong nag-email sa akin na saan na ba daw ako, ano yung nangyari sa akin. Well, I'm fine guys, thank you. So anyway, yung vlog natin today, it's about grocery U-Haul. So anyway, nag-vacation ako since December 27, I file a PTO. So 2 weeks yung bakasyon ko kasi parang pagod din ako. So kailangan ko magpahinga. So anyway, tomorrow is finally back to work ako. So anyway, I'm so busy tomorrow na kasi alam nyo na single mama tayo, kailangan natin maghanap buhay para masurvive natin yung anak natin. Kasi okay lang kung isa yung anak ko, 3 sila na binubuhay ko. Like everything, I pay everything, my rent, my bills, everything. So I have a big responsible. So anyway guys, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung nabili ko for today. Kasi kailangan ko mag-grocery bago ako bumalik sa trabaho. Kasi siyempre, wala na naman akong time na mag-grocery. So ito yung nabili ko today. I went to Costco and Walmart. So because Walmart or Costco, it's the difference is the Costco you can buy everything, but not everything. Like you can buy like one paste, no, you cannot buy in the Costco, you buy bunch. So here's the what I bought from Costco and the Walmart. So it's like it's almost 3 weeks, I don't know. So here, papakita ko sa inyo guys. Lahat yung grocery ko. Wala naman akong katulong today kasi yung panganay ko nasa school. So, hinulog ko lang dyan sa bintana. Pasensya na kayo guys, kalat. Kasi wala akong time maglinis ngayon. So, ito yung snack ng mga bata. Binibilhan ko sila ng snack talaga kasi minsan, kasi laging nag-snack sila. Kasi alam nyo na mga bata eh. Tapos, ito, snack din. Tapos, favorite nuggets ng mga bata for breakfast. Tapos, ayan, mga snack. So, Nutella, of course. Tapos, meron akong meat galing sa Costco. And then, burger for Kuya. Kasi mahilig si Kuya sa burger. Yung easy to cook na, no? Tapos, ito, akin to. Gusto kong itry. Tapos, meron akong mangoes. Dry mangoes. So, it's my favorite also. And then, meron akong cheese curd. Kasi yung mga bata, alam niyo na pag mga bata kasi diba, pili sa pagkain. Tapos ito, coconut shrimp. That's mine. And then, pizza. Meron silang pizza. Kasi pag nag-snack sila, ayan, mabilisan lang yan yung binibili ko. Tapos ito, my chocolate. That's my favorite. And this is my favorite bread also. So, dito naman tayo. Meron pa akong doon sa sakyan na hindi ko nakaya. Meron silang apple juice. Meron silang apple juice dito. Yan, meron akong butter kasi sa pancake nila. And then egg. Anyway, marami akong egg sa ref. Gusto ko lang mag-stock kasi pag nasa trabaho ako nga, kagaya ng sinasabi ko, wala na akong choice. Wala na akong time mag-grocery. Chili beans, no beans, sabi nila, no beans daw. Ito, subukan ko lang corn beef daw. Hash corn beef. Ayan, marami akong nabili. Ito, pinto beans, my favorite. So, ayan. Ayan, yung snack. Tapos, mga noodles ng mga bata. Mexican cheese. Meron ako dito. Meron pa naman silang mga stuff. Ayan, milk. Meron silang milk, favorite ng mga bata. And then, I bought couple vegetable. And then, grapes, then avocado, onion. So, ito naman, bumibili ako nito today. Kasi nga, yung panganay ko minsan tamad magluto. Lalo na pag breakfast. So, ayan, ima-microwave niya lang yan. Ito, ganun din. Tapos, ayan, banana. Meron akong banana dito. And then, meron akong chicken. Ayan. Ito, ginagawa ko dito kasi sa beef. Asparagus or broccoli. Yan. Tapos, tapos, barbecue sauce. Meron akong syrup na sa pancake. Meron din akong pancake. Tapos, bread. Also, pang burger bread ni Kuya. And then, ito naman, corn. Gagawa ako ng Mexican chicken today na soup. Tapos, juice. Tapos, ayan. Tapos, tingnan nyo naman yung laman ng fridge ko, dahil hindi pa nauubos, dahil hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko dyan. Tapos, ayan. Anyway, wala nang laman yung ref ko. Diba? Ang daming dyan. Napakita ko na yung aking naibili. So, I don't know. Hindi ko nasasabihin kung magkano yung gasto ko dito. Kasi, naubos yung pera ko sa grocery for today. So, anyway, like I said, I'm fine, guys. So, Happy New Year for everybody. So, don't worry about me. I'm still alive. I'm still alive and kicking. So, anyway, so yun lang yung vlog natin for today. I hope you enjoy my vlog. And subscribe if you want. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye!